is going on? What is up? Welcome back to Vlogmas day 5. I honestly could never remember what a vlog day is. I'm about to head on the road to go reprogram my Android box because it needs to be reprogrammed or re-downloaded or something. Something's definitely wrong with it. And then I have a doctor's appointment that I'm going to, and then I didn't go to my class today because I had this doctor's appointment, so that's what I'm about to go do. Then I'm gonna come back home and I'll be going back on the road later. I don't really have much planned for today other than I need to fold this laundry on my bed. Today's Wednesday, so I only have one class on Wednesdays. And yeah, that is basically it. I might need to run to Walmart to get something, and then I gotta meet up with someone later to give them something. But that's basically all that I'm doing today. Today's gonna be a very blah day. I actually have some videos I have to film, so maybe I'll try to squeeze that in. We'll see what happens. But I'm about to go on the road right now. I honestly need to invest in something like a mount or something. Okay, I know I need a tripod for my camera, but I also need like a mount that I can put in my car so when I'm driving I can actually place my camera on it. It's actually nice outside. It's not that cold today. Like, it's a little chilly, but it's not cold. And it's December. Usually it's like cold. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like a full-blown winter's here, but it literally just like teases us and then it stops. It's so annoying. I literally just left my house and I didn't have to use the washroom, and now I gotta use the washroom and I refuse to go back inside. Ugh. The laziest effort I've ever put into my hair. But anyways, I'm about to drive and I don't want to have my camera in my hand, so I'll tune back in a bit and we'll see what's up. Yeah. Don't want to move now because mommy has a camera on you. She's moving right now, but she's literally like under here, so you can't even really see the movement, but she's the oh, I just felt her kick. She literally just kicked my hand. You don't want mommy to show the world how active you are? I guess because I have a black shirt on, it's kind of hard to see, but she is literally moving up a storm in my belly right now. Oh, she's like literally over on this side of my ribs. Tossing and turning. So my Android box is currently getting updated. And right now I'm gonna go to my doctor's appointment. But when I tell y'all this child is one active baby, like she is super active 24/7. So I'm here taking my blood pressure, but this machine is so weird because it does it like 6 times before it gets like the accurate one. So that is what I'm currently doing. My blood pressure has been usually good though. I think it was like one time it was low. Other than that, it's been good. I have to get a needle and I'm so scared.
She's moving, yeah, I can tell. There we go.
Today, day 5. They up on the block same way. Nah, I'm gonna as usual. We're just there. One easy bop. They already going at them on the ends. Yeah? Dirty things. But anyway, they are going to hold them same way, you know? Today, Man U and Arsenal, big match I play today, you know? So, you know, so we just there wait for 3 o'clock. Come. For my side, kick up a side, wicked idea. Give them a 4, not even 4, 3-0 again, or 3-1. Feel like a 3-1 the match I done. Abama Young has scored 2. Dirty boy Lacazette has scored 1. You understand? But we're there still. Yeah. Who want a baby? Who want a baby? Joking, I can't get him. You know? Jimmy! Think you ain't gone far in daddy. About 4 weeks now, I don't see you, daddy.
Work, man.
Got some man. Step on, you say I buy food. Buy one food for my poor. Alright. A soup that them use sip. Sip can't full belly, daddy.
Soup and porridge can't full belly.
I don't want a box food, some chicken or something. Step back, put the bicycle in the car. I left the car, yeah. We ain't the thing about that part there. We ain't the thing about that part there, boss. When I car, dirty man. You more want to cover my youth. I want to cover for your car.
While you wash my car, that I say there's only thing left. I forgot grass start growing out.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I got the palm of my car. Right now, I'm kissing on fancy egg in my car.
Father, who me say that today? Are you seeing what I tell me?
First, free drive, daddy. One night I'm go, one night I'm going to do. I'm turn up, I'm going in a car and the drive out to run across my foot. Mr. Lucky, you say, I know Charlie Wayne a bad man. I'm going to say,
A whoop! So you know if you spray out my car, daddy?
Spray a big guy now, lock up the bad man. You see me? This one thing.
Yeah, like Gideon, man. Bad charge.
So come forward to the region of your car.
Yeah, so you know, say, as I say, feed you know, we don't do nothing, we just there. Mainly me there wait for a match to start, because I want the big side roll out, you see it? And give me a win. You see me? Because I win in English League, you know. And I watch them. Arsenal Pony Slam. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I make a G go look at one food for me up on the road, because I know I'm hungry. Go up on the road and come and just drink some soup, but some sip. Soup down a station. You see it? So, you know, I eat that. Yeah, now. One Man U fans there. Yeah.
Don't talk about the more, talk about the good.
Don't talk about the lows, talk about the win, brother.
No, brother.
And the win with it, talk about, brother. We don't lose.
Oh, it's unfortunate that you can't come on.
Yeah, I don't know where they are taking the match. I know Arsenal can't squeeze a little one. You know? The Arsenal fans them out there. We out here too. You know? Yeah? Yeah! Want me tell how score by the way? In there. Goal! I won that already. I tell you, 3 goals score. Yo, them the ball this ball them to score, daddy. Ball but down pan the ground. You want to but down pan the ground. We see him. Yeah, man. Won that already.
There's a Frank Christmas score by the down.
Yeah. Don't know.
Back home, but let me tell you, I went into this store, this random store I went into, and I saw Yankee candles, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to get these. And for the price that they were, I was like, yes, because usually these are expensive. Usually these are like roughly like, these are wax melts. I love wax melts. They're usually like, I think $2.50, and then these are like the mini candles. I think they're usually like $7 if I'm not mistaken, but I did not even pay close to that. I literally got these for 50 cents each. So I picked up these, and I wish I picked up more because you can never go wrong with Yankee candles. They smell so good, and to me, they smell better than Bath and Body Works. I have some upstairs. If you follow me on my Snapchat, you saw I posted some of my favorite ones that I had upstairs that I got from Black Friday. But yeah, these ones smell so good. I got, this one's clean cotton. This one smells so good, and this one is the Sweet Nothings. This one smells okay. It's kind of like a fresh citrus smell. This is juicy citrus and sea salt. This is Sweet Nothings. But yeah, this one is Early Spring Bloom. This one smells really good too, and they only had one of this one, which is the Sun Drenched Apricot Rose. That one smells good too. But yeah, this is basically what I got. I wish they had more flavors because I would have bought. I mean, I wish they had more scents because I would have bought more. As soon as I walk in my room is just always smelling so nice. I just have this obsession with candles for some reason, and I used to always buy like the Bath and Body Works one, but I hate when you buy candles and they're scented candles but they smell like wax. Like, I hate that smell. And then someone actually put me on the Yankees candle like a long time ago. She was like, once you try a Yankees candle, you are never gonna go back to Bath and Body Works. And she's so right. I've never gone back. So this is another flavor. This is one of my favorite flavors from them. This is the Pink Sands. It smells amazing. And I have a couple of those right here. And then this one's Catching Rays. So this is a new one that I'm actually trying. I never tried this one before. I got these ones on Black Friday. They're originally, I think they're originally $12 or something like that, or 14 or 16, something like that. And I got them for $6, which is not a bad buy. But honestly, I have this one candle by them, but it's Sunset Fields and it smells so good. Literally, I can light this. And like, these are the type of candles that you don't have to burn for like hours. Like, the scent will just last so long. But it's a Sunset Field. This one smells so good, and I had this since last year, but I'm so scared to burn it because I don't think you can get it anymore. I have the wax melts, as I showed you guys before. This is another flavor that I'm trying. Why I keep saying flavor? This is another scent that I'm trying. This is a sage and citrus, but these are my favorite. The I didn't know I had this one. The fragrance, the oil, like when you put them in the oil warmer, I love these. They burn so good and they burn for so long. So yeah, I like the wax melts. I have a wax, like the warmer. I have the warmer, the candle warmer in my washroom, and it literally it spreads throughout my whole room, and my room is huge, so that's another thing I like about it. Kind of pricey, but get on them when it's like sale time. Ugh. So I just got home from the doctor not too long ago. I got an injection today. Was not prepared for that. I hate needles. And she just measured my belly. She said I'm measuring good. And I heard the baby's heartbeat. The baby's heartbeat is good. And then she asked me if I'm like slowly getting excited, and I'm just like, nope, I'm nervous. I'm actually so nervous because like the time's going by so quick. It's going by so quick. I need to organize my room. Like, literally, I have... There's like 3 boxes of hair stuff here. I got baby stuff there, baby stuff. These clothes gotta go in my dresser, but my dresser's in the other room because I switched rooms. I have like all these boxes and stuff in my room that I just need to get rid of. I need to, like, actually find time to organize myself because of school. But now that like this is, well, technically next week's my last week of school, I can finally like try to organize myself. And plus I gotta buy a dresser for the baby because we can't share a dresser. So hopefully now, like the whole Christmas break, I can kind of like just organize myself. And my baby shower is in January, so yeah, I need to slowly just get rid of some of these boxes. I don't know when I'm gonna do my virtual baby shower. I know some people sent me some stuff and it's still on the way. And again, I do want to say thank you to those of you who have like sent me stuff. I really appreciate it. We appreciate it. Ziggy Bear, Baby Bear, and Mama Bear. Mama Bear. We really appreciate it. Like, it means a lot. But yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna do the virtual baby shower. Maybe like January I'll do it. I'll probably do it January. Again, and if you are interested, I'm not opening a PO box. I just don't feel comfortable opening a PO box. But I do have a baby registry. I mean, if it comes down to it and you really want to send me something, maybe shoot me an email or something and then we can talk. Because I know some people, someone messaged me and said they knit or they I think they said they knit baby blankets or something like that, and they wanted to send me one. So just shoot me an email. But yeah, so the baby registry link is in my description box if you are interested. No pressure again. It's not like we're needy, you know. It's just someone told me, or people were asking me if I was gonna open one, and I just opened one. I wasn't going to, because I know I did get one negative comment. Someone was like laughing. I don't remember what the comment said. It's saved in my phone. But when I posted like the baby registry, mind you, people asked me to open it. I wasn't gonna open one for my subscribers or my supporters. So yeah, daily struggles and fights that I get. But yeah, I'm just gonna go fold my laundry. And what do I have to do? Oh yeah, I'm going on the road, but I'm waiting for my dad to come back, so I'm just gonna go do that in the meantime. So I went on the road and did what I had to do. Like I said, back home, I'm in like the dark right now. I'm sitting in front of my laptop, filming from my phone because my camera is so far and I'm so lazy. I have placement in the morning, my last week of clinicals, so I usually go to bed early because I already know, well, like, because I already get tired so easily, so I want to make sure that I'm getting enough rest. And plus I know I literally wake up all times of the night, so whenever it's night before placement, I really try to make sure that I'm getting enough sleep. So I go to bed early, and I hate waking up early. I have to be up at like 5. So the vlog is ending here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you are a Team Arsenal fan, let us know down below. You know, that's Ziggy's team. I told him I'm gonna get the baby a Chelsea jersey. This guy flipped. But yeah, I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 6.